Hi folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete here in Florida. Today we're going to cook up some salmon. We'll go on a little road trip. We'll take my outdoor cooker, my cast iron pan, we'll cook up the salmon. But first, the star of the show is the mango salsa. It's fantastic, and I want to give a shout out to a buddy back at the Burlington Fire Department where I worked. He's the one who put me onto this recipe. Stewie, thanks very much. Say hello to the crew. And listen, if you're watching this with the crew, tell them I said it's okay to mark it down for training. Let's get to the salsa. We're going to start out with 1 cup of mangoes, diced up. Next, we're going to put in 1/4 cup of red bell peppers. Next, we're going to put in 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. Next, we're going to put in 1/4 cup of chopped up cilantro. Next, some diced up pineapple, 1/4 cup. Next, 1 jalapeno. Take the seeds out. Chop it up, dice it up. And last, garlic. Put as much as you like in. I have about 2 or 3 large heads, finely diced. And you know my motto, if you don't like something, take it out. Change it. Make it your own. That's what cooking's all about. So we're going to add, I like to put in a little bit of chili flakes. Put in as much as you like, or don't put any in at all. Then we're going to put some red wine vinegar, a couple tablespoons, and some olive oil, a couple tablespoons, some pepper, and some salt. That's all the ingredients you need. I gotta tell you, there's many uses for this. Not just good on fish, but on pork, chicken. Put a little side of rice. It's beautiful. You could even throw some black beans in here, fire it in the fridge. Perfect for a salad. Take it to the beach tomorrow. So this is all mixed up. I like to put it in the fridge for a couple hours or overnight. We'll get things packed up and we'll go for a road trip. So here we are at Ponce Park. It's a nice park here in Punta Gorda. Places to barbecue, places to put your boat in. Lots of fishermen around here. It's a nice spot to visit. I think I better get unpacked, get things going. Got a nice little place here to cook. I'm going to get the salmon on right now. Cast iron pan's hot. I've got my salmon down. I seasoned it with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Lots of different seasonings out there. This is one of my go-tos for seafood. So it's going to be in there for about 3 or 4 minutes in each side. It's just been in there for a minute, so we'll let it cook for a few more minutes and then we'll flip it over. So it's been about 3.5 minutes. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? We'll give that another 3 minutes or so. We'll take it out. Time to get that mango salsa out. It's coming along nicely. You know, there's many different ways of cooking salmon. We could do it on the grill, in a frying pan, in the oven. Today I chose this because I bought this new little butane outdoor cooker and I think it's working great. Better take a look at the salmon. Yeah, it's looking delicious. I think it's time to take it off, plate it up, and get that salsa out. Yep, it's the best part of the video. I get to try the goods now. Here in Punta Gorda, overlooking the Port Charlotte Harbor, it leads out to the Gulf. It's a beautiful spot here. Thanks for coming out to In the Kitchen with Pete. Hope you enjoy my videos. Subscribe to them if you do. Let's try the goods. Oh, so good. That salsa's a hit with salmon. Anyways, hope to see you soon. Bye for now. See ya.